Yes, have you ever wondered how, despite all the tools that you have, you still are not able to figure out how to have a healthy, I'm still looking for a proper word to use, but we'll say healthy relationship with food. I have some things, if you've ever wondered why that's the case, stick around because I have some things that I want to share with you today that hopefully make this process a little bit clearer for you, because it is important for us to have some kind of a better relationship with food. And before I continue, if you are female and you need an amazing community environment of like-minded people, women, please feel free to request to request, but to I'll put the link below to join our Facebook community. You can either join our free Facebook community where we have so many tools in there for you, or if you're like, Facebook is not my thing, I got you. You can also click the link, not click. Click the link below and subscribe to our newsletter. I don't spam, I send emails out every week of things that can help you out. Let's get going. The first thing that I want to share with you is it's not your fault. If you are really having a hard time with not being able to figure out how to have a better relationship with food, realize that it's not your fault. You probably have childhood childhood food-related trauma or some kind of emotional eating habits that have carried throughout your life from since you were a kid. Can you turn it down, please? Since you were just as a child, and these things are so hard to break, right? I just wanted to throw that one out there, that you have to give yourself grace and maybe look into getting some professional help. You can even look into hypnotherapy or meditation or something that's gonna help you break those cycles, because some of the stuff is really deep, and regardless of what you do, it's just gonna be like you're just gonna keep spinning in circles. I hope that makes sense. And then the second one is you're probably stressed out or anxious, and these things can trigger emotional eating or binge eating that a lot of people tend to struggle with, right? So that would look like you finding ways and learning how to handle your stress. Connie, can you hold on, please? And then the other one is all the social pressure or the cultural expectations around food that we have to deal with can be very difficult to navigate, right? It doesn't help that we have diet culture constantly telling us what to eat, what not to eat. This is this for you, this is that for you. And then you've created all these labels around food because somebody has told you that this stuff is not good for you and you should stay away from it, right? So that would be another problem. I hope all these things are super helpful to you. And the other one is you probably have like super busy schedule or a hectic lifestyle that's preventing you from making healthy eating habits a priority, and it makes it a little bit challenging for you. It's crazy because I was talking to one of my coaching clients like before her and I started to work together, and he was talking about how she doesn't have time, and I was able to show her that she has time, right? Because most of the time we have all these blocks where we feel like we can't do things because there we go again of all the programming that we've been told by whoever or society. I hope this was helpful. My son just decided to start using his exercise bikes. There you go. But I hope you got value from this video, and if this was helpful, don't forget to click the like video and subscribe to my channel, because I share things that my hope is they can inspire you to just have a fulfilling life, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.